What's good, y'all? It is HB Punching Profit. We had two trade setups today. One off of the 9:30 opening, a little bit tricky, right? Because we were chopping up and down all morning. But as soon as we get in the silver bullet, we get into what? A higher time frame point of interest, okay? And that is a new week opening gap. As soon as we go into there, we start working down. We create this inversion in the purple box. We have a bullish fair value gap here. We have a bearish fair value gap here. And then we also have an advanced market structure shift at the yellow line. We close over it. You put a limit order waiting over here to get tapped in. If you're on the micros, not over leveraging, this is a beautiful trade setup. You put one at consequent encroachment, you put one at the high of the inversion. Okay, so that's a nice way to build a position. And as you see, yes, we do go back up, but we don't go over the gap. We just wick barely over it, stop at the high, and you would have had yourself a nice trade for 50 points or more. A little bit tricky if you let your mind play games on you. But if you trusted your confluence, okay, you waited for your high time frame point of interest. There was none down here, even though you got inversions going back up while you were retracing. We didn't hit any sort of high time frame point of interest or PD array, right? Nothing of the sort. We didn't take a prior low, nothing. So all the inversions to the upside were not worth taking because you didn't have that first confluence of the higher time frame. Okay, but if you trusted, we hit this higher time frame point of interest. We got the inversion. We got the advanced market structure shift. You put your limit order. You don't over leverage. Boom. Beautiful trade plays out. Goes down, 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 down to the second setup. Okay, as we are working down, if you go on the higher time frame, the daily time frame, we take the prior day low. Then we have this inversion right here, and it's happening roughly where the advanced market structure shift is occurring. So that's nice. It keeps it kind of consolidated in a nice area where you can execute. So in this purple box, we have a bearish fair value gap, take into consideration the volume imbalances, and we have a bullish fair value gap right here. The inversion closes, but we still kind of need to wait to close over this. So you probably would want to enter, I mean, anywhere in this purple box would have done, would have been okay, right? And as soon as you had this inversion probably close over this bearish fair value gap, you probably should have entered because you know we made a big move down. We took and taken the prior day's low. We had the advanced market structure shift. You want to get in on that because there's not really going to be a retracement. Okay, so put your stop at the low, take profit at 50 points plus more. You can do low hanging fruit. Uh, However you want to do it, I just do 50 points. It's straight up, it's simple. Don't really have to think about what to aim for. It's easy money. So those were your two setups for today. This is HB Punch and Profit. Get at me, comment down below, like the video, subscribe. Peace.